Alright, hello. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. Today is another surprise video, I guess you would call. Mail video. I got 2 packages in the mail, two envelopes in the mail today. First one, I ordered some more stickers. My first round of stickers came from Sticker Mule, and they were just a test to see how I like the design, if it would look good on a sticker, and I think it was okay. So then I went with Vinyl Disorder, which is what I'm opening up right now, to go with my second batch of stickers. Same picture, just like I said, I bought that first round. I got 10 for $1 through Sticker Mule just to see if I liked how it looked as a sticker. It came out good. I liked it, and so I decided, yeah, that's the sticker I want to use. So I went with Grumpy's got some stickers. I went with Vinyl Disorder, and look at that. I will be silly and count all these here in a little bit. I'm not gonna do it on camera for y'all right now, but let me see. I ordered 100 of their 3-inch stickers, and the ones that I got from Sticker Mule were 2.5 by 7. Oh, that worked out perfect. They're the exact same size. Awesome. Sweet. I was hoping them to be just a little bit bigger, but it's just perfect that at least they're not smaller. Awesome. Okay, I got some stickers to send out. I gotta send a sticker out to Sophie. I gotta send who else gets one? Dad gets a sticker. Josh at Creation Dust 777. I got to send him one. So yeah, that's the 3 I got to get in the mail now, because I told him as soon as I got my new batch, I would send them out. And Grumpy's got stickers. Look at that. I'm excited now. Alright. That was not the really main cause of the video. I just wanted to put that in there. I got a letter. I know who it's from. I say letter, I'm hoping my sticker. Open it up here. I got all the addresses taped off. I do not want to give away nobody's addresses at all.
Grumpy got some mail today. Oh, what a sight. What a sight. A little envelope shining in the light, in the light. Could it be a mystery, a treasure untold, or just a note to warm a heart that's cold? Hey, hey, stickers fly my way. Let's trade our colors.
Heck yeah, thank you.
Send me yours, and I'll send you mine. Let's light up the world one sticker at a time.
My stickers that I got in my letter is from Susanne Rhinestone Susanne, I'm sorry. She does some awesome work. She's just starting her YouTube channel and everything. It's got some awesome videos and carbs on her channel. You really need to go check that out. It's pretty cool. But thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. I'm fixing to stick it up on the board, so you'll have to hold on this a minute. Okay, we'll edit that out of there. Alright, again, thank you so much, Susanne, for this little letter here. That means a lot. It really does. Again, here is Rhinestone Susanne sticker. That's an awesome sticker. I got a spot up on the board to put it, and we're fixing to move the camera up and put it. So, hang on, everybody.
and the
don't have any. Look, you can't see all them clips here. You've seen some of them, but some of them, see, 2 videos of them is not out here. I'm slowly getting ahead, which is what I want to do on my clips. I tried to record every clip I make. That way it gives me a reason to create and to make. If not, I'll come out here and want to make a clip, but won't make a clip. So with this YouTube thing I got going on now, that's getting me more productive again and making more clips and stuff. So yeah, I set myself 2 videos a week, and so I'm trying to get caught up too, because I like to schedule my videos through YouTube. So I like them. Oh, cool, they're round. Awesome. I like them to. Now that just makes it. I gotta find a different spot now. Hold on. I like to schedule my videos to upload. I've seen a few things where they say if you schedule and let YouTube hold on to it, that it will help generate the AI will watch the video, get all your keywords, and helps generate a bigger audience to push your videos out to, I guess. So that's what I try to do. Alright. I thought this was a square sticker at first, so I want to fill this little spot up right here. I want it to be straight. Alright. It's got it up there. Stickers fly my way. Alright, get the air bubbles out. Perfect. Camera missed all that, didn't it? Alright, right in that corner up top, filled that spot in perfect. Thought it was a square sticker at first, so I was gonna go right up here and fill in this spot. But no, that worked out great right there. Alright. Rhinestone Susanne sticker, thank you so much. Ooh, let me let go of the daggone tripod dude, it'll quit shaking on it. There we go. We're going back over the stickers again. Rhinestone Susanne sticker, of course, that's what I just got. You gotta go check her channel out. That's a very awesome channel. You got Robert C. Peters. That's my grumpy pipe. You got me. You gotta go check out his channel. Gonna be getting a sticker soon. I'll put that sticker up too. The Land's Handmade Woodworking. It's got an awesome channel. He's doing a lot for the Wounded Warriors Foundation right now. Go check out his channel and get some more details on that. That's something awesome going on. This is the Carbon Wizard, Perry's channel. Very awesome. Go check it out. Sean Brooks, Pin on Fire. Didn't move the camera there. Perry's channel, Sean Brooks, Pin on Fire's channel. Check it out. I gotta back up a little bit here. There we go. Jordy Johnson. This is Sophie's channel, Under the Bark. When I first did this, I wasn't sure what was going on here. I tried to translate, but it was showing both because Sophie enlightened me that this right here, that is Under the Bark, but that's Under the Bark in French. I didn't know that. That's Under the Bark. She told me her name was her channel in French and in English. So Sophie's Sophie's channel is Under the Bark. Sculptures, pyrography, wood carving, wood burning. Awesome channel. Carbon Fusion's channels. Awesome channels. Again, that crazy old man, we don't know who his channel is, but daggum, he sends out some stickers. But yeah, there we go. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a great night. Again, check out my description. I'm gonna have a link for Rhinestone Suzanne's channel in my description. Also gonna have Spike's link in there. Y'all check everything out. Y'all have a great night. Thank you.
Oh, just a note to warm a heart that's cold. Hey, hey, stickers fly my way. Let's trade our colors, make someone's day.